Are those pictures from today? Not setting up before 8 o'clock?
I don't think today.
Was that last year?
Ooh. But you know, I was in Bountiful and I drove down Main Street and every single spot was taken. And this was about noon.
Yeah, we've got the Bountiful Parade.
Handcart days.
They are all taken.
Okay,
so
and great
amazing.
weather.
Beautiful weather.
Even if you're sleeping on the street for no good reason.
I bet you a lot of people are getting some sunburns. How about some mountain bike heading up, out and about, looking at, this might even be the Wasatch Back Trail. I'm not sure. I've been on this trail before, and it is absolutely an incredible ride if you have the time. Might be up in Mill Creek. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, you look at it. What a great day to do a little mountain biking and enjoy what happens to be some of the most beautiful country in the world. Temperatures today, about the same as yesterday in northern Utah. We are 92 degrees. Vernal, 93. Some thunderstorms have popped up around southern Utah. Look at St. George. It is hot, 106, but there is a thunderstorm near St. George. Let's go to Live 5 Viper. And first of all, we take a wide view. Big monsoonal rains right here around Flagstaff. 339 lightning strikes in the last 15 minutes. You can hardly see this thunderstorm, but we're going to zoom in right there. This one moved off the Pine Valley Mountains. It is deteriorating, but as it moves towards Leeds, likely there are some strong gusty winds, and there's another one forming over the top of the Pine Valleys, and you can see the drift is to the south and southeast. Kanab getting some thunderstorms, and over towards the Blanding area. We put this into motion. Notice the drift from north to south. So there's a really odd kind of a drift here. And so Blanding, you're on the edge of this thunderstorm as it heads south towards possibly Bluff or down into southern sections of San Juan County. All right, around the rest of the west. You can tell that there's a monsoon in Phoenix when it is cooler in Phoenix than it is in Salt Lake City. The onshore breezes in San Francisco bringing 67 degrees. Let's put this satellite picture into motion. This is monsoon moisture. In fact, I was checking the charts, and this right here, there's a little bit of a spin. This is what we call an easterly wave. This easterly wave comes around high pressure right there on that edge, and eventually some of this will be drawn north again into southern Utah, but it looks like most of it, the heaviest part of it, will stay in Arizona for the next 12 hours, and then just sort of clipping the Four Corners area tomorrow. And then as we look into the future, by Sunday, some of this, again, very close to southern Utah. Best chance tomorrow, though, will be in the Blanding area, Four Corners, east of Moab, the La Salle and Abajo Mountains. Beautiful in Cache Valley. Getting hot, though, by Monday, 95. Big drop Tuesday as monsoon moisture looks like it will form and move across much of the region. Beginning Tuesday with the best chance on Wednesday and probably again on Friday. And with the monsoon moisture, you get a drop in temperature but a rise in humidity. Look how hot price will be on Sunday and Monday, and then 10 degrees, 13 degrees cooler Tuesday and Wednesday. The same thing in the basin. And there is a pretty good chance on Wednesday for thunderstorms across eastern Utah lingering on Thursday and Friday. So a good chance for the monsoon to return. This is not a big, huge monsoon, but certainly will be a chance over much of southeastern Utah. And there will be some flash flooding beginning Tuesday, probably heavier on Wednesday and into Thursday and Friday. So if you're making some plans across the south to do some canyons, to hike around, you better be careful. Very, very hot this weekend in southern Utah. 107, then 109 on Sunday. We drop a little bit, and the chance for showers and thunderstorms increases. And you saw that we had this evening a few of those thunderstorms popping off the Pine Valley Mountains. So that's a possibility for this evening. In Salt Lake City, Ogden, Provo, and the Wasatch Front, great 24th of July. The parade temperatures will be in the 70s to start, 80s to near 90 by end of parade time, 96 in the afternoon, Sunday 97, Monday 98, and then about 90 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday. There will be probably a pretty good chance on Wednesday and again on Friday. We'll actually see some rain around the area, some thunder.